Billionaires Instant Bright, Part 71. Uriel and I decided to talk in his car. Mas mabuti na yun, dahil soundproof ang kotse niya at magkakaroon din kami ng privacy. Nangako rin siya sa mga magulang ko na pagkatapos ng pag-uusap namin ay sila naman ang kakausapin niya. Christine. Tawag niya sa akin pagkapasok niya ng kotse. Before anything else, I just want to apologize for all the harsh words I've said to you. Sambit niya at malungkot na tumingin sa akin. I'm sorry for directing all the blame to you, when in fact, the problem is me all along. Kaya sorry. Sincere niyang sabi bago siya tumingin ng diretsyo sa mga mata ko. I know hindi ko na maibabalik ang mga sinabi ko sa iyo, na hindi ko na maiaalis pa ang sakit na naramdaman mo dahil doon. But let me make it up to you. Marahin akong umiling sa kanya. Tipid akong ngumiti bago sinalubong ang mga tingin niya. Kasalanan ko rin. May mga bagay rin akong dapat ipagpaumanhin sa iyo. Pag-ako ko. Ang dami kong kasalanan sa iyo, Uriel. Sobrang dami. Huminga ako ng malalim dahil nagsisimula na namang manikip ang aking dibdib. Kaya gusto ko ring humingi ng paumanhin. No. Mabilis niya ang sambit. You didn't do anything wrong, Christine. Biktima ka lang. Anya at hinawakan ng kamay ko at marahang pinisil. I know it's too late for me to say this, but I realize you were a victim of our games. Muli akong umiling sa kanya at malungkot na ngumiti. Hindi yun ang ibig kong sabihin. May nang sabi ko bago humugot ng malalim na hininga. I'm referring to the pain I've caused you before. For taking your father's life and leaving you without a word. Hindi ko natapos ang sinasabi ko nang bigla niya akong hilahin palapit sa kanya at yakapin ng maigpit. No. Please don't blame yourself, Christine. None of those were your fault. Bulong niya sa akin at hinagpitan ang pagkakayakap. He rested his chin on my shoulder and warmly wrapped his arms around me. It should be me who must apologize for not being able to do anything for you. I'm sorry for not being able to find you when you were so lost after losing your memory. I should have been by your side, dagdag niya. But now that I found you, now that our paths have crossed again, I promise to never let you go. Kaya pakiusap. Huwag mo na akong iwanang muli. I can't bear losing you again, Christine. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko na napigilan ang pag-init ng magkabilang sulok ng mga mata ko. Kasunod ng panunubig ng mga to. I hugged him back and he started crying out of relief and regrets. Sorry. Bulong ko at ibinao ng mukha ko sa dibdib niya. I feel so guilty, Uriel. Pakiramdam ko ako ang rason kung bakit hindi naging masaya ang kabataan mo. Bulong ko sa kanya at mas niyakap siya ng maigpit. I feel like I was the one who destroyed your childhood. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry for trying to run away. Dagdag ko at mas bumuhos pa ang mga luha ko. I was scared. I was so scared that I might hurt you again. That I might be the reason for you to lose another loved one. That you might lose Lolo Henry because of me. No, that's not true, Christine. Bulong niya sa akin bago siya kumala sa yakap. You don't know how much you made me happy when we were kids. You were the one who brought the sun in my life. You were the one who cleared the blanket of darker clouds in my sky, Christine. You paved a new path for me to see the world in a brighter side. Masuyong sabi niya bago hinawakan ang magkabilang pisngi ko. Sabay tingin ang diretso sa akin. You taught me to be happy again. You made me cling to life more than I used to before meeting you. Dagdag niya at matamis na ngumiti. Hindi ko napigilang mapatingin sa asul niyang mga mata. I couldn't stop my heart from melting while seeing how his eyes were filled with love and bliss while looking at me. Pero nasaktan pa rin kita sa biglaang pagalis ko. Sabi ko bago na paiwas ng tingin. At sa totoo lang, hindi ko ba talaga naaalala ang lahat-lahat. All I ever saw were fragments of my past. Maging ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo noong mga bata pa tayo, ay hindi ko pa naaalala. Pagtatapat ko sa kanya. Marahan niya akong pinatingin sa kanya. None of that matters right now, Christine. What matters most is yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. Anya bago ako madamis ng initian. Do you want to be with me? Do you love me? Do you still feel like fulfilling the promise we had years ago? Sunod-sunod niyang tanong. Hindi ko magawang makasagot agad. I am giving myself time to feel the comforting warmth that is gradually embracing my heart. It was a type of comfort I have never felt from him before. A comfort of safety, assurance, and home. And just from that, napagtanto ko na hindi ko na kayang wala siya. That I will surely miss the comfort he gives me. I want to be with you, Uriel. Halos pabulong kong sabi, kasabay ng panunubig ng mga mata ko. But this time, I am crying out of bliss because I am finally sure that he doesn't hate me. I want to be with you, just like what we promised back when we were kids. Matamis siyang umiti sa akin bago niya hinalikan ang noo ko. Then let's be together again, Christine. Let's fulfill our childhood promise. Bulong niya sa akin bago hinalikan ang mga luha sa magkabilang mata ko, bago pamantog gumulong pababa sa aking pisngi. I love you. I love you so much. My heart completely melted after hearing him the words I have been dying to hear from him. Muli akong naiyak habang nakatingin sa kanya. I wanted to respond as quickly as possible, pero hindi ko magawa-gawa dahil pinapangunahan ako ng panginginig ng mga labi ko dahil sa pagpipigil na umiyak ng gusto. I love you too, Uriel. Mahal na mahal kita. Sobra. Sagot ko at hindi ko na mapigilang mapangiti. Finally, I was able to say it. Ang gaan pala sa pakiramdam. Ang sarap. My heart is in bliss right now. Pumadaos-dos ang kamay niya sa mga palad ko at marahang pinisil ang mga to. Let's start over, Christine. Let's work on our relationship again. And I promise, I won't ever make you cry in pain and suffering. Your tears will only be reserved in happiness. Masuyong sambit niya. I will make sure to make you the happiest. I promise you that. Marahan akong tumango at matamis na ngumiti. And I'll do my best to make you the happiest too. Sagot ko sa kanya. I will make up for the years I left you. Dagdag ko bago binawi ang kamay ko mula sa pagkakahawak niya. Then I held his cheeks and stared straight into his eyes and gave him the sweetest smile I could ever give. I promise you that. Ngumiti siya pabalik bago bumaba ang tingin sa aking mga labi. Hindi ko tuloy maiwasang makagat ang labi ko, sabay lunok ng laway. At bago pa man siya makagalaw, ay inunahan ko na siya. I gently pressed my lips on his. I love you. Bulong ko sa kanya. I love you more. Tugon niya at siya naman ang umangkin sa labi ko. He kissed me passionately, letting me feel every movement of his lips. I love you so much. Dagdag niya at mas diniinan pa ang paghalik sa akin. Nadala ako sa paghalik niya kaya hinalikan ko na siya pabalik. I gave him the same intensity he's giving me. Inilingkis ko na rin ang magkabilang braso ko sa leeg niya at hinila siya palapit sa akin. Pero habang naghahalikan kami, ay may naalala akong isang napakahalagang bagay na hindi ko pa nasabi sa kanya. Mabilis akong lumayo sa kanya. Wait. Pigil ko habang marahang nagtataas baba ang balikat ko. I have something important to say. Nakaawang ang bibig niya nang tumingin siya sa akin. What is it? Huminga ako ng malalim bago tumitig sa mga mata niya. I'm pregnant. Pagtatapat ko at nakita ko ang dahandang panlalaki na ang mga mata niya. What? Marahan akong tumango. Yes, hindi ko alam kung kailan nagsimula. Pero nag-pregnancy test ako and it turned out positive. Paliwanag ko sa kanya. Pero kung hindi ko natapos ang sinabi ko, nang bigla niya akong siili ng halik. Wait, maraan ko siyang itinulak dahil gusto kong malaman ang reaksyon niya. Say something, Uriel. Masaya ka ba na? Of course! Mabilis niyang sagot at ngumisi sa akin. Sobrang saya ko. Dagdag niya at muli akong hinalikan. It's the greatest news I've ever received my entire life. I'm gonna be a father. Kay laki ng ngisi niya. Lolo will be so thrilled to hear it. Alam na ni Lolo mo? Paglalahad ko sa kanya. We were actually talking about it before you came and overheard our conversation. Dagdag ko. I told him I love you and that I am pregnant with your child and that I am afraid how you might react once you know that I had a deal with your lolo. Paghahayag ko. I then explained everything to him and I saw the instant regret in his eyes. So the reason why he was so eager to convincing me to talk to you and let you explain your side was because you're pregnant. Anya, probably. Hindi siya nakapagsalita pero kita ko sa mukha niya ang pagsisisi. I should have just listened to him. Mahinang sabi niya. Ang ginawa ko lang sana yun ay hinawakan ko ang pisngi niya dahilan para matigilan siya sa sinasabi niya. I then gave him my sweetest smile. Lolo Henry, understand you, Uriel. Naintindihan niya kung bakit ganon ang naging reaction mo. Sambit ko sa kanya. If it bothers you, then talk to him when he wakes up. Dagdag ko. Tumango lang siya sa akin bago siya tumingin sa mga mata ko. Slowly, he started leaning towards me. And with just that, I felt the connection between us. I felt the force pulling us together. Habang lumalapit ang mukha niya sa akin, ay dahan-dahan ko ring pinipikit ang aking mga mata at hinihintay na dumampi ang labi niya sa labi ko. And when our lips touched, I felt the blissful butterflies scatter inside me. I felt the soothing warmth gently wrapping my heart. I called my arms around his neck and pulled him to deepen the kiss. And as our lips rubbed against each other, building friction and a sparkling sensation, it slowly ignited the familiar heat inside me that has been dormant for days. I can feel the heat slowly burning every fiber of my flesh until I found myself burning in his kisses, craving for more. And without saying anything, with just tension surrounding us, I instantly knew where it would take us. Dahan-dahang binaba ni Uriel ang upuan hanggang sa halos sumiga na ako. He then went on top of me and he started kissing me again, gently pressing his weight against me and wandering his hands on my curves and edges. And as our lips parted, he stared at me with such intense eyes filled with longing, desire, heat, and love. I want you, Christine. Pabulong niyang sabi. Matamis akong ngumiti sa kanya. All yours, Uriel. All yours. Tugon ko at ako na mismo ang humila sa kanya para muling paglapitin ang aming mga labi.